Hello and welcome to this video on how to draw a simple cross section. So in this case I will start by drawing the center line for the road. So I will go to the home ribbon and select layer properties. And now I will create a new layer for the center line. So I will click on the icon up here and type in center line. And I will change the color. Say OK, and also change the line type. Select the center 2 and click OK. And now I want to activate the layer, so I can just double click within the layer, and now I have the green tick. Or I can just select the layer and then click on the tick up here and just close the layer properties. And to draw the center line, I can either select the line from the toolbar, or I can type in L for line and hit enter. And just draw a line, and I will have a length of 10 meters, so I type in 10 and hit enter. And I can just double click within the scroll button to zoom in. And then the next thing is to add a border line for each of the elements. And in this case I want to have a driving lane of 3.5 meters and then a shoulder of 1 meter. So I can select the center line and then click on the copy tool or type in CO for copy and specify the starting point and then in which direction I want to move it or copy it, and then type in the distance of 3.5 meters, and then the next will be 4.5 meters. So now we'll just change the layers which these two border lines are located within. So I will select the border lines and just select a new layer. And in this case I will just place them in the layer 0. Just like this. And I will just activate a new layer for the surface. So go to layer properties. And again I will just create a new layer, which I will call pavement, and I will activate it by double clicking within the layer. And I want to change the color, make it black, say OK. And also I want to change the line type, so I have a continuous line, say OK. And then I will just close the layer properties. And now I will start by drawing the top point, which will be at the center line. So type in L for line and just draw it from the center line. And I know that I will have a slope of 25 per mil. So if I type a length of 1 meter, hit enter, then I know when I have 25 per mil that the slope will be 2.5 centimeters. So I will type in 0.025 and hit enter. And now I can draw a new line from the top point and then to the bottom of the line right here, and just delete these lines. And now I have the correct slope for this line, and the next step is to extend it. So I will select the line, and then I have a tool called extend, and let me just hit escape first. So I'll select the extend tool, and then I will select the border line, which is this one right here, hit enter, and then select the line which I want to extend, which is this one. So now this line has a slope of 25 per mil. And for the shoulder I want to have a slope of 40 per mil. So again I will type in L for line, draw a line of 1 meter, and this one should be 0.04 and hit enter. And I can just draw the line up here and delete this line and also this one right here. So now I have the correct slope. And then the next part is to add a slope right here, which will connect to the existing terrain, and I want a slope of 1.2, meaning that every time I move down 1 unit, I have to go in the horizontal direction for 2 units. So again, I will type in L for line, just type in 1 meter and hit enter, and then 2 meters in the horizontal direction. And now we can just connect it here, and delete this line and also this one right here. So this is the slope of the surface layer, and now I will just select the two and type in MI for mirror, and then just click on the center line. And in this case I'm being asked if it should erase the existing part right here, and we have N for no, so I'll just hit enter. And now I have the basis for the road cross section with the slope of the driving lane and also for the shoulders.